Over the past 12 months, numerous events related to AI have unfolded, permeating all aspects of everyday life. Dozens of companies have joined the robot race, introducing significant advancements. Humanoid robots have been widely regarded by the tech industry as one of the most captivating trends this year, highlighted by the competition between American and Chinese companies. While Chinese robots remain somewhat clumsy, on the American side, Tesla's Optimus has made remarkable strides, like navigating rough terrain, catching tennis balls, serving drinks, cracking eggs, and even doing yoga. These accomplishments demonstrate its dexterity in performing tasks and its ability to maintain balance across diverse terrains. Two factors that no other humanoid robot in the world has fully achieved. So, why is the Tesla bot considered the smartest robot in the world? And what gives Elon the confidence to predict that billions of these are going to get sold? Let's explore more in today's video. You're watching evtech. And before we begin, please help us get to 300 subs. It's a huge motivator for us to keep bringing you awesome updates about the Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest tech news. Thank you. One of the factors enabling Tesla to accelerate the development of Optimus is the utilization of technologies already developed for Tesla's EVs. Elon pointed out that all of Tesla's achievements in battery development, electric motors, power electronics, and AI software can be directly applied to the humanoid robot. This not only helps reduce costs, but also accelerates production compared to starting from scratch, meaning Tesla does not need to begin at square one. Over the past few years, people have witnessed impressive demonstrations of Optimus, from catching a ball with one hand to climbing slopes without relying on vision. But behind these performances lies a completely different story. Tesla's building a future where tasks we once thought were exclusive to humans can be entrusted to robots. This is not just a far-fetched dream, but a reality gradually getting brought to life. When it comes to Optimus, the first thing that impresses people is the robot's ability to move. Not only can it walk like a human, but Optimus can also climb up and down slopes without obstacles. This is remarkable because to date, very few robots can operate effectively on complex terrains without additional supporting tools. The sensors and AI in Optimus not only enable it to move flexibly, but also allow it to perceive its environment, adjust its actions based on sensor feedback, and even balance while moving on uneven ground. Notably, Optimus's ability to operate without relying on vision, using only its sensor system, demonstrates the cutting-edge nature of Tesla's technology. This is no ordinary robot. It's a machine capable of sensing, reacting, and adjusting its behavior like a real person, despite lacking eyes, a mouse, or the physical features we typically associate with robots. Equipped with at least 8 2D cameras and advanced sensor systems similar to those in Tesla's EVs, Optimus can recognize faces, analyze movements, and detect unusual activities. In terms of power, Optimus is integrated with a 2.3 kWh 4680 battery pack, which can fully charge in just 10 minutes. Compared to a Model Y, which uses an 81 kWh battery and takes 30 minutes to charge, charging a battery 35 times smaller is significantly faster. Impressively, Tesla surprised us all by integrating a wireless charging feature on Optimus's back. Optimus can also support healthcare tasks, especially in emergencies or for elderly patients needing assistance. Lifting, moving patients, even monitoring vital signs like blood pressure and heart rate are all within its capabilities. If desired, Optimus can manage your workload, respond to emails, draft documents, or simply make you a cup of coffee every morning. That sounds pretty cool, right? Once again, please help us reach 300 subs. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thanks. As confirmed by Musk, he wrote on X the new Optimus design, which will be completed later this year, is something special. In June, Tesla shared some updates on Optimus and the milestones the humanoid robot has achieved over the past year. According to Tesla, Optimus has undergone 3 major design revisions. The humanoid robot's hand has been revised 4 times in the past 2 years, but that's not where Tesla has planned for their robot. There's another generation coming still, and it wouldn't be wrong to say that it's the Optimus Gen 3. So, what does the Optimus Gen 3 have? Let's start with the changes Elon mentioned, specifically design. As we all can see, the current Optimus Gen 2 features a design, size, and aesthetic that are arguably the best and most attractive on the market. Tesla shared that they aim to build their robot to resemble humans as closely as possible, despite this approach being far more challenging than creating a less human-like robot. Looking back at the current version specifications, with a height of 5 foot 10 inches, a weight of 138 pounds or 68 kilos, and hands with 5 fingers, and along with necks that can rotate left and right thanks to the 2 degrees of freedom setup, and feet that touch the ground and can lift up and maintain balance, no less than humans, plus a current speed reaching 1.34 miles an hour or 0.6 meters a second, but it's not too slow considering the average speed of humans is 2 to 3 miles an hour. And, of course, it's going to get faster over time. It's clear to see that the designs of the Tesla Optimus robot gives it many advantages related to the number of tasks it can perform as well as stable operating performance. However, with Optimus Gen 3, or the next generation robot, the design will undoubtedly be optimized further. From the perspective of a team that has observed Optimus for a considerable time, several changes are bound to happen. First, it's impossible not to mention the addition and improvement of new materials for Optimus. To better illustrate what we're describing, you can clearly see the most noticeable changes when comparing the overall look of Tesla Bot Gen 1 with Gen 2, despite only about 10 months apart. The differences in the level of design refinement are quite pronounced. While the Gen 1 generation was like a pile of metal accompanied by many exposed wires, which looked quite unsightly, unsafe, and heavy, entering the new Gen 2 generation, the Tesla robot seemed to have changed 180 degrees in design with a completion rate of up to 80%, no longer revealing the metal frames, tangled wire, and crude design. This update is a stepping stone for Optimus to enter the top of the most beautiful humanoid robots. Therefore, the new design from Optimus Gen 3 will continue to optimize weight, which we can confidently assert. Currently, the metal and plastic ratio on Tesla's Optimus is pretty balanced, around 50-50. However, Tesla can start reducing the proportion of metal, especially aluminum alloys, to lower levels in the skeletal frames. In addition, instead of opting for ordinary plastics that are unimpressive, Tesla could shift to using carbon fiber or polycarbonate. These materials are extremely lightweight and durable, resistant to scratches when Optimus encounters complex environments with many machines and sharp objects. Of course, increasing the layer of external plastic, such as in the robot's wrists, needs to be more tightly sealed. The weight will also be reduced as the internal wiring of the Optimus will be seamlessly connected to reduce the number of unnecessary wires. Tesla will certainly not overlook any upgrades to each part of Optimus, especially since it hasn't received much investment in its current version. With a new design, we think Tesla could focus more on Optimus's display. What do you think if Tesla Bot Next Gen had an emotional status display on its rather empty head section? An electronic screen allowing Optimus to show icons like your Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth, battery status notifications. It could also display the progress of tasks being performed through the screen. We believe this could happen since currently the inside of the head isn't fully optimized with only a 2D camera inside. With the next generation that Musk mentioned integrating a variety of LED colors and a display screen on the head, it'll make it more emotionally expressive, resembling humans more than just a head covered in black without any utility. Now, we understand why Gen 2 was publicly introduced in China despite Elon's concerns about warning and copying. So, why did Tesla display Gen 2 Optimus for a thorough study? Simply put, it's because Gen 2 Optimus is not the final commercial design. It still has a lot of shortcomings, and if competitors were to copy Gen 2, they'd still never catch up with Tesla. Therefore, we are eagerly anticipating the arrival of Gen 3.
Your companion, it can be at your house, it can sort of babysit your kids, it could teach them, be a teacher.
Having conversations with humanoid robots will indeed become very popular in the future, especially as many adults in the U.S. are opting for solo living. Therefore, a companion like the one Elon mentioned regarding Optimus isn't an exaggeration. It simply reflects his incredibly awesome future vision. Most people over 50 will have more questions because sometimes they can't keep up with the news like the youngins can. Some also have a lot of trouble using smart technology, so having an Optimus is going to be extremely convenient. For example, instead of reading the newspaper, you just need to ask what's new today, what's the weather like, or who's winning the election. It'll tell you everything, and you just need to sit there and listen. It's crazy. So, we are especially looking forward to this new feature and hope Elon will not let us down. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.